Hello, my name is Alan Whitty and I'm a realtor here in central Minnesota. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 upgrades that you can do to increase the value of your home. To answer this question, we have to take into consideration the changes that have happened in the past few years. Our homes were recently put through a massive reevaluation in response to the pandemic. There are now certain features in a home that have become much more attractive to buyers. If you can include them in your upgrades, you can increase the value of your home and turn it into that coveted property in the market. In particular, there are 3 projects you want to take on. The first project is to add more usable square footage. According to a 2020 survey by HomeLight, the need for space was among the top reasons why people move. Projects such as creating a home office, building an open floor plan, and finishing your basement can give you that additional space that buyers want nowadays. The National Association of Home Builders identifies home offices as one of the new design trends in 2022. In addition, the NAHB found that 85% of buyers want an open layout between the kitchen area and the dining room. Lastly, your basement. Your basement can increase your ROI by up to 70%. The second way to do it is to add and improve your curb appeal. One of the best ways to improve your home's curb appeal is by focusing on your landscaping. Your home's look may look more enticing by adding healthy plants and blooming flowers to your yard. To make even more of a statement, put a fresh coat of paint on your house's exterior. However, not all changes have to be big and grand. Sometimes small details like updating the mailbox and a house number will catch the attention of the home buyers. The third thing you can do is you can upgrade your outdoor space. Functional outdoor spaces such as a deck, a fireplace, or an outdoor kitchen are now more valued due to the pandemic. If your home has a nice exterior living area, buyers can imagine themselves enjoying the fresh air as they indulge in activities. If you already have an outdoor oasis, pressure wash or make repairs if necessary for a low-cost way to improve your home's value. If you're not sure whether your renovation plans are worth pursuing, feel free to call me or give me an email. I'm happy to give you real estate advice and help you get the best value for your home. As a member of the National Association of Expert Advisors, I use a proven, repeatable system backed by market research to help you sell your home for up to 18% more than methods used by traditional real estate agents. I can help you determine the best strategy and price and to help you sell your home for the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time. Again, my name is Alan Whitty and I'm with eXp Realty, and I look forward to hearing from you.